God now. Yeah.
Hare Krishna to all kids. How are you all doing?
Hare Krishna, Mataji. This is Shubhadra Giridhari.
It's my brother's birthday.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Giridhari, happy birthday.
Thank you, Mataji.
Nice to see you all. So today we are again back with a new bhajan. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so today's bhajan, we have a very beautiful bhajan by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, it's called Eko na Bujinu Prabhu. Okay, one second. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. Okay, so let's start this bhajan. It's a beautiful prayer. Eko na bujinu Prabhu. Repeat everyone.
Na bujino Prabhu.
Paracharana. Ashoka Bhayamrita. Purna Sarvakana. Sakala Chadiya. The first one goes a little low volume. The second one goes a little high. Okay, so if somebody is doing some activity in the background, please make sure that you're muting the screen for a while, because then it's kind of disturbing everyone. Okay. 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 Sakala Chadiya Tuva. Charane Charana Kamale. Podiyachi Aminata. Tava Padatale. Tava Pada Padmanata. Roki be amare. Are raka karta. E bhava samsare. Go back to the chorus. Eko na bujino Prabhu. Tomara charana. The fourth one. Amitava Nitya Dasa. જાણીનો એ બારા અમારા પાલાના ભરા કોના તમારા બડ દુઃખ પાયાચી તંત્ર જેવા
Mother, we can't hear you.
ઓ પદવરાને Go back to the first one. Eko na bujinu Prabhu. Tomara charana. Next one. Je pada lagiya Rama. Tapasya korila. Je pada paiya Shiva. Shivatvalo bila. Je pada labiya Brahma. Kritartha hoile. Kritartha hoila. Je pada nada muni. Hridoye dorila. Eko na bujinu Prabhu. Tomara charana. Okay, the last two. Say abog pada. Tirete dori. Paramanande. Pada guna gaya. Samsara vipada hote. Avasha udara. Bhakti vinoda pada.
Bhakti
করিবে তোমার
Koribi
দেখো না বুঝিনু প্রভু তোমারা চরণ Okay, very good. So let's go for the meaning right now. I see some kids have already raised hands. Param, can you read the first one, please?
I know your divine feet are refuge, free from all sorrow and fear, eternally full of sweet nectar.
Thank you, Param. So the first one says that the Lord's divine feet is the refuge. Refuge means what? Have you heard this word refuge?
Yes, what?
What does that mean?
But I just heard of it, but I never know what it means.
Okay.
I think refuge means like everything like in this sentence. I think it means like it says that your divine feet are refuge free. So it means like everything free from all sorrow and fear. Like it could be refuge means maybe everything.
Okay, good guess from the context, but not really. Any others who have some idea about the word? Yes, please go ahead.
Something that provides shelter.
Yes, perfect. Who is that?
Me.
Me.
Who? Me.
Mrinal.
Mrinal. Okay, good job. Thank you. So refuge means something that provides shelter from some kind of a danger or something. Okay. So divine feet are a refuge free from all sorrow and fear. In the material world, there is always sorrow and fear, right?
Yeah.
So who is the only refuge? The Lord's divine feet are the refuge. We have to fall at his lotus feet.
Lord divine feet.
Okay, the next one to read will be Shubhadra and Giridhari.
Yes,
Shubhadra,
Mataji.
you read second, and Giridhari, you read the third one.
Mataji, my brother's not here right now. He's
Oh, okay, no problem.
I'll call him when he comes.
Okay.
At the soles of those lotus feet, I surrender myself and all I possess and all I possess.
Yeah, thank you, Shubhadra. So again, it is the same thing that I surrender unto that lotus feet. Okay. So next is Raya Prahalad. Want to read the third one?
O Lord, there is no other protection but you in this world of birth and death. At last, I know myself to be your eternal servant, whose maintenance you have assured.
Thank you, Raya Prahalad and Raghav. So again, there is the same thing is repeated in a different way, that there is no other protection but you in this material world. And I know myself to be your eternal servant. And Krishna has assured our maintenance, right? Do we have to worry about, food grains being available? He has given us everything in abundance, right? Everything he has given us in excess. And we can store and we can use it. We don't have to worry about all that. Krishna is maintaining us, right? So we have to always be surrendered to him. That's what we are trying to understand from this, okay? Next one is Palvit,
Which one, Mataji?
the fifth one.
Okay, Mataji. Life before, without you, help nothing but sorrow. Now I live free from all misery.
Thank you, Palvit. Okay. Rinda, do you want to read the next one?
Mataji Vrunda usually goes for taekwondo class on Tuesdays, but she will come like 6:15 something. She'll be starting, I think, from there. She's not here, Mataji.
No problem, Mataji. Okay, so Rishya, you can go ahead with the sixth one. Yeah.
Lakshmi, deciding such a place are your lotus feet, executed austerities. Only after securing a place by your lotus feet did Lord Shiva attain his Shivatva, or the quality of auspiciousness.
Thank you, Rishya. So here they're also talking about Lakshmi and they're also talking about Lord Shiva. How everybody gets their place by worshipping his lotus feet. Okay, the next one can be read by Param. Param, do you want to read?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah.
Seven.
Upon obtaining those feet, Lord Brahma became successful in life, and the great sage Narad Muni had held those 2 feet to his heart.
Okay, thank you. And next one, Giridhari, do you want to read? Shubhadra or Giridhari?
Yes, Mataji. I'm sorry that I was like not here, Mataji. Which one,
No
Mataji?
problem. Eighth one.
Yes, Mataji. Your lotus feet drive away all fear. Having held them to my head, I dance in great ecstasy, singing their glories. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Okay, can you read the next one too, Giridhari? The last one.
Yes, Mataji. Your lotus feet will deliver Bhakti Vinod from the perils of worldly journey. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you, Giridhari. Okay, so this one again talks about how Lakshmi and then Shiva and then Lord Brahma, Narada Muni, everybody, they kept his lotus feet to their heart to become successful in life, right? And for us also, his lotus feet drives away all our fear. Initially, we saw that this material world is full of sorrow and fear, right? Who can take away the fear? The Lord. And having held them to my head, I dance in great ecstasy. So we have to hold Lord's lotus feet to our head and always keep it close to our heart. And Bhakti Vinoda, who is Bhakti Vinoda? Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He is hoping that the Lord's lotus feet will deliver him from the perils of world journey. Even if we want to get out of it, we have to hold on to his lotus feet. Very beautiful song, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it one more time. Eko na bujino Prabhu.
Eko na
Tomara charana. Ashoka Bhayamrita.
Akshayamrita.
Purna Sarvathana.
Purna Sarvathana.
Sakala chadiya tuva.
Sakala Chadiyatu
Charana kamale.
Charanakama
Podiyachi aminata.
Padiyache Aminatha
Tava padatale.
Bhavat
Tale. I put on video.
Tava pada padmanata.
Tava pada padmanata.
Rokibe amare.
Rokibe amare.
Are raka karta nahi.
Araraka karta nahi.
E bhava samsare. Ekho na bujinu Prabhu.
Egana bujina.
Tomara charana.
Tomara charana.
Now the fourth one. Amitava Nitya Dasa.
Amita
Amitava
Dasha.
Janino Ebara.
Jani
Jani
Amara Palana Bhara. Ekona Tomara. Bado duka paiyachi. Swatantra jivane. Dukkha duri gelo. O padavarane. Ekona bujinu Prabhu. Tomara charana. Je pada lagiya Rama.
Rama
Tapasya korila.
tapasya korila.
Je pada paiya Shiva. Shivatvalo bila. Je pada labiya Brahma. Kritata hoila. Je pada narada muni. Doye dorila. Kona bujinu Prabhu. Tomara charana. The last two. Face aboya pada. Chirete doriya.
Chirete dori.
Paramanande nachi.
Paramanande nachi.
Padaguna gaya.
Pada guna gaya.
Samsara vipada hoite.
Samsara pate
Avasya udara.
hoite udar.
Bhakti vinoda pada.
Bhakti vinada pada.
Koribe tomara.
Koribe tomar.
Kona bujino Prabhu.
Egana budina
Prabhu.
Tomara charana.
tomara
Mara
charana.
charana.
Ashoka Bhayamrita.
Rashabaya babita.
Purna Sarvakana.
Sarvakana.
Thank you, kids. That sounded really nice. It was a little difficult song to sing, but all of you tried very well, and I'm really happy. This is, very good mood exhibited by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and I specifically was inspired by this song because we were seeing the pastime of Sati and Lord Shiva, and how Narada Muni was describing about it. So I wanted to see if we can sing something related to that pastime, and I found this. So that's why this is a very apt song because all the people like Lakshmi, Lord Shiva, Brahma, Narada Muni, everybody is glorifying the lotus feet of the Lord. And as you all know, who is Lord Shiva with respect to the Supreme Lord? Vaishnavanam
Yata Shambhu, Mataji.
Yata Shambhu. He is the greatest of all Vaishnavas. So he also, in the sixth one, it is described that he attained. What does it describe here? He attained his Shivatva, or quality of auspiciousness. His greatness is due to the Supreme Lord. That's what he also wants to be recognized as. So, any questions? Does anybody want to try singing? We have a few more minutes.
No,
One or two stanzas at least.
no.
No?
Mm.
Does anybody want to say anything? Yes, Shubhadra and Giridhari?
Mataji, can we do 2 stanzas?
Sure, please go ahead.
একনা ভুজিনা প্রভু তোমার চারানা অশোক ভয়া মিতা পূর্ণ সর্বখানা সকল ছদিয়া হুয়া চরণ কমালে পদিয়াছি আমায় আমি নাথা তব পাদতালে
Tava pada padmanatha rakhibe amare ara ke karda nahi e bhava samsare আমি তব নিদুক দাসা জানি
Okay.
না
Giridhari, thank you so much. You sang, that was a really good try. Both of you sang well. So it is split like this, that the first one is a chorus, the second and third is one pair. And the first in each pair, the first two lines will go a little low and the second two lines will go a little high. Like you really did the second one very good, Shubhadra. Sakala chadiya tuva charana kamale podiya chiya minata tava padatale. We don't want to do the same thing for each stanza, right? So the alternate one we will sing a little higher. Tava pada padmanata Rokibe amare Arata karta nahi ye baba samsare. Okay, I'm sure I'm going to send the recording. I'm sure you're going to do really well when you listen to the recording and practice. Okay, that was a really good try. Thank you so much, kids, for singing so well. Every time you sing enthusiastically and give me a lot of motivation to come up with a new song next time. So thank you so much, and we will meet next time. Hare Krishna. Let's conclude with the Vaishnava Pranam mantra.
Vancha
Vancha
kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavabhyo namo Leela Prabhupada ki jai. Saroja Nandini Mataji ki jai. Anjana Gopika Mataji ki jai. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, kids. Hari bolo, ఒక్క నిమిషం నాన్న.
Hare Krishna.